Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to unbox one wireless mic which I have purchased from Flipkart. Actually this mic brand name is Mac, and I purchased this mic at cost of rupees 332 rupees in the Indian rupee. If you converted in dollars means it's around $4 to $5 guys. It's a massive price actually. Yeah, it's a wireless only. It's a total wireless mic. Okay, we are going to unbox it now. Let's come on. Yes, I'm going to remove this cover paper. Just tear it out. Okay, here you can see, here's the wireless mic guys, and brand name is, here you can see the Mac wireless mic, and here you can see wireless connectivity, live show, live interview, short vlogs. Actually this mic is useful for vlogging purpose and plus live streaming too. And here you can see the plug and play, 20 meters range. Okay, sorry about it, wide capability. And you can connect this mic in both guys, in Android as well as the iPhone also. You can use this mic in both the different platforms, Android as well as in iPhone too. Okay, let's first unbox it now. Let's come on. Yeah, okay, just remove this. And here you can see they have given something like a like symbol. Okay, it's not a like, actually this is a dislike I think. So this symbol here you can see, unhappy with your purchase, you should 100% satisfaction. Okay, we request your details so we can assist to fix. Yeah, it's good guys. There is a proper support is also there. They are given this number also, Team Mac. Okay, it's good. Okay, let's keep this side. I thought there's a like symbol, but it seems dislike button. Okay guys, just keep that aside. Okay, let's we can take it out one by one. And you can see, I think there's a cable. Let's take this out from this box. Here you can see they are given the Type-C cable to connect this. Actually, why we are connecting this cable to this mic means for charging purpose guys. We need to charge this mic actually, so that only they have provided a Type-C cable. It's good thing guys. Actually this is the mic. Here you can see there is no weight guys, it's very light. And inside this there is a polymer batteries there guys. The battery capacity is 80,000 mAh. It will works up to 6 hours for 1 hour charge guys actually. Okay, if you're doing a 1 hour charge means it will works for 6 hours actually, because it's a 80 mAh battery they are given inside. Actually there's an inbuilt battery guys, 80,000 mAh. Okay, let's keep this aside. Mic. Okay, here they are given one connector. Okay, this is for PC guys. If you need to connect this mic with your PC means you can use this connector guys to connect this receiver. Actually here's the receiver guys. Here you can see you can connect this like this, and then you need to plug this in PC guys. So only they have given this. Okay, just take this out. Oops, it's very hard. Yeah, it's came. Okay, next what they have given inside this, they have given a lightning connector guys. Actually this is for iPhone. If you need to connect this mic with iPhone means just connect this back side like this. How to connect? Yeah, okay, like this you need to connect, and you need to connect with the iPhone guys. Just you need to connect with this iPhone like this. Okay, they are given the iPhone connector too. It's good. Okay, take this out. Okay, next what they are given, here's the user manual they are given guys. You can see the user manual is too big actually. You can see. Oops, sorry, I don't know whether it's a Japanese or Chinese. They are written in back side of this, I don't know. Okay, just you can see here they are given in English. Yeah, it's Chinese, it seems it's made in China. Okay, and guys, if you're having any doubts regarding this setup means you can use this user manual guys. Just study this user manual, you can learn how to use this mic. Okay, if you are a beginner means, if you are advanced means no issue. If you are a beginner means just read this user manual to do this small setup. Okay guys, here is the mic and here is the receiver. Okay, we can turn on this mic. Where is the button? Actually, this is the button. No. Yeah, here is the power button, guys. Here you can see. Just click this. I think I need to make a long press. Yeah, here you can see, guys, it is in pairing mode actually. Just what you need to do means, if you're connecting, for example, I'm going to connect this mic in my iPhone means, just plug this and plug this end with the iPhone, guys. This light will stop blinking actually. Currently it's blinking. Okay guys, currently I'm having an Android device. Currently I'm not having iPhone, I'm having Android device. Just we can test. Just I'm going to connect this receiver in the end of this type C port. Here you can see now light stops blinking. It's glowing constantly. Here you can see it's glowing in green light. Actually it's got paired the signal. Okay, this light indicates which this mic is paired with this device, guys. You can use this smartphone to do a live recording or live streaming for any purpose, guys. Just it's now connected. Now both the devices got paired, guys. Likewise, you can pair even in not only in Android. For iPhone, you need to connect this in this end, and you need to connect this receiver in the iPhone to pair this. Okay, finally we have paired, and here you can see in the user manual also same thing, only they have given. First we need to connect this and then we need to click a power button. Actually before itself we have clicked. Okay, no issues. And you can see the blue light will starts blink, and after that if you have connected this receiver with your phone means it will automatically gets paired. And here they have given the receiver paired means the light is always in on. You can see the light is always in on. Yeah, same thing is there. Light is always on. Yeah, light is glowing stably, not blinking actually. You can see now it's got paired, guys. Likewise, you can use this mic. Okay, use this mic, guys. And okay, and here you can see the another side they have given a clip. Okay, you can clip this in your shirt for recording purpose. And okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any queries or doubt means just ask in below comment section. Definitely I will reply. And please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. If you need to buy this product means you can buy this in Flipkart, guys. It is available. The product price is 332 rupees only. It's a very cheap price actually. Okay, and one thing I need to tell, here you can see they're just written please charge before use. Okay, just don't use it as blankly, guys. After unboxing this, just put some charge, and after that just start to use it. Okay, and okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like our video. And if you have any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply, guys. And okay guys, bye. I will see you in next video, and then bye.